Welcome back to Alan's Trains. In Lost Buildings Part 2, I'm going to start assembling the buildings using the components that I had manufactured from my Inkscape drawings and a cutting machine. I first assembled the floor with the walls marked where they actually fit into the buildings and put strengtheners to stabilise the walls. All the major component parts were made using 1.3mm card rather than 2mm. And on fitting the front and back to this building, I found that I did not need to laminate another layer over the top. Adding one section of roof to the building brought stability and strength. I then tried the building in place on the layout to see if it fitted in with the rest of the buildings. I then concentrated on the window frames, wall finishes, headers and footers. I took the full sticky label that I'd constructed all of the window frames in and peeled them off the sticky label, ready for sticking onto the acetate backing, ready to fit to the building. If using a cutting machine, use the drawing of the main building frame with its window cutouts for cutting out the wall finish material. This will leave all of the cutouts on the sticky mat on the machine and leave you with the actual cutout wall finish material as a perfect match to the wall frame. The following photographs show how the wall finish material fits perfectly because it's been cut on the machine. You can do this by hand, of course. On the front of the building, I've also used stucco material finish as that is what the main building consisted of. The next photo shows the window frames are in place, and I've also put security screens in. For the security screens, I've simply used tulle material and just cut it into small sections. Using the headers and footers that I'd already cut out previously, I started fitting them to the building. I fitted them to the front and the back of the building and also started to fit some of the details such as doorways, sliding doors and again security screens to the other windows. For the curtain material, I use coloured card that I've actually bought from department stores quite cheaply. In the next video, I'm going to construct the 4 shop frontages that are attached to this building. At the end of the video, I'm putting a few tips for those using cutting machines. Thank you, I hope you liked the video. See you next time.